Timeless, pure, eternal. Marble has been a symbol of strength, elegance, and sophistication. It has fortified its position as a substance that defines brilliance as it does resilience. And only the best in the business can vouch for the best in the world. Welcome to Nitco's state-of-the-art marble facility, which is amongst the very few in the world. Using precision technology, they get the finest quality marble. The plant uses the latest equipment and global environment-friendly safety practices. Just a 3-hour drive away from Mumbai, the factory is also accessible by a 30-minute chopper ride with an in-house landing facility. This sprawling 30-acre estate stocks over thousands of tons of the finest quality marble, curated and culled from around the world. Nitco's unique TRT process imparts unparalleled strength and longevity to the marble. The exhaustive assembling process begins with the grooming of the natural marble blocks. After a facet of each block is severed to provide clean edges, the pristine structures are moved into the palatial facility. With the world's most advanced Italian BM gang saws at work, their unmatched precision delivers a thickness variation of only ±0.77 mm against the 3 mm variation of normal gang saws. Eliminating even the mildest scope of damage, robotic arms then move each slab to the next stage. This stage has an air jet to get rid of loose marble particles and dust left over from the cutting process. The slabs are then heated to eradicate any traces of moisture and to open up the pores and cracks for the filling process. Subsequently, the marble is transported to the net application stage. Nitco uses only the world's best epoxy resin for the back surface reinforcement. Ordinary plants use polyester resin for reinforcement, and as a result, the fiber comes out easily and needs to be removed before laying. While Nitco's reinforcement remains intact forever and permanently seals the bottom surface of the marble. The slab is cured in an oven and then an automatic rotator flips it to be filled on its good side. The spray gun machine coats the slab with epoxy resin to fill the top surface. The slab is then moved into a vacuum chamber where the epoxy resin is sucked into the deepest pores. The holes that now reappear on the surface are then manually refilled. The slab is cured in the third oven at 45 degrees Celsius for 120 minutes. Here on begins the arduous task of polishing. It starts with pre-grinding the marble with cutting-edge technology at the helm. And no one else pre-grinds the marble other than Nitco. Pre-grinding removes all undulation to give it a perfect flatness. Then the reopened pores are reinforced with UV resin and subsequently cured in a UV chamber. The final polishing is done by an 18-head polishing line. The result is marble that has much higher gloss than any other product. While the shining slabs are now ready, they pass through a quality check where a gloss meter measures the gloss. Post the buffing, a wax cushion is applied to the slabs to avoid them from being scratched by rubbing against each other. The marble is now ready, occupying center stage at an enormous and exclusive area that houses a collection of 5 million square feet. Showcased most meticulously on this stage are a multitude of varieties and textures across an extensive price range, all for the customer's careful and convenient perusal. Painstakingly organized under one all-encompassing roof, this selection of marble now vies for its customers' attention. It waits to be chosen by you. Exclusive technology, exhaustive processes, exacting standards, and an extreme eye for detail come together seamlessly at Nitco. to realize the vision of a pioneering brand that leads the way forward. Truly a cut above.